Did you know the most powerful man in history learned his greatest lesson through complete failure? Xerxes ruled over 1 million soldiers. He believed he was chosen by the gods to conquer the entire world. His ego was so massive that when storms destroyed his bridges, he literally ordered his men to whip the ocean as punishment. He carved through mountains and built bridges across seas just to prove his unlimited power. Nothing could stop him, or so he thought. Then came the Greeks, a tiny force that shouldn't have stood a chance. At Salamis and Plataea, these small armies destroyed most of his fleet and crushed his massive forces. Xerxes watched his empire crumble before his eyes. But here's what makes this story incredible. Instead of making excuses or blaming others, Xerxes did something extraordinary. He completely transformed himself. He abandoned his belief that he was divine. He spent his final years studying wisdom and humility. The man who once thought he could control the seas learned that true strength comes from accepting your limitations. Sometimes, our biggest failures become our greatest teachers.